Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover HSE finished in black. This 2023 model comes with a diesel 3.0 D300 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 22-inch SV Bespoke diamond-turned alloy wheels with a satin black contrast. This Range Rover features around 800 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing room for larger luggage items, golf clubs or even a pushchair. There is an adjustable parcel shelf and the boot floor can be lifted up to reveal additional storage underneath. There are also two automatic boot close buttons located from the top and the bottom. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the Ebony semi-Aniline leather seats with the matching Ebony interior. The seats do contain ISOFIX points as well as a fold-down armrest which will reveal two cup holders as well as a storage tray. Backseat passengers can also utilise their own rear climate control vent, which does include two USB-C ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the Ebony interior with highlighting wood accents on the dashboard and the door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with a sportier look, and have additional side support for extra comfort on those longer journeys, and they are electronically operated via controls on the doors. Now here's a closer look at the multifunctional leather-wrapped two-spoke Range Rover steering wheel, with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit, voice control and hands-free telephone, and on the right for the cruise control system and the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including focused, map and dial. And speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does come with satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access radio with FM and DAB, and the driver can pair wirelessly to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left we can bring up the rear parking cameras as well as the satellite and 3D imagery. Below is a slide cover to hold your phone with a USB-C port while out on the road, and behind the centre console there are two cup holders which can be slid back to reveal a deeper storage pocket with a USB and USB-C port. Finally, the armrest can be lifted up to reveal a cooled storage pocket, and there are two armrests either side. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover HSE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.